Hey y'all, it's your girl Charmy here and I'm back with another one. If you're interested to see how I made these lace-up denim jeans, keep on watching. Also, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. So you're going to need a pair of scissors, needle and thread. I only had hair thread and needle, so that's what I'm using. You're going to need some type of string. Also, you're going to need this set right here. I got the string and that grommet set from Amazon. I'll leave the links down below. A ruler is something white to draw with. You'll see later on in the video I ended up switching over to a piece of chalk instead. So right now I'm just measuring how wide I want the section cut out in my jeans. I really don't know the measurements. I just measured and went along with it. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did on that one side to the other side. Once again, I really didn't have an exact measurement. I just estimated and went along with it. It worked out fine for me. Okay, so now I'm going to begin cutting open the section in the jeans that I have marked off. You don't want to cut completely the whole rectangle out. You want to leave a little bit out on the edge so you can fold that back and sew it to keep your jeans from fraying. You'll see in the video how I did it. So as you can see, I went ahead and turned the jeans inside out before sewing. You can go ahead and use a sewing machine if you know how. I just don't know how. Also, you can also use some type of fabric glue to glue it down instead of sewing it. The only difference is you would have to wait a little longer for the glue to dry before you can continue on with the next step. these eyelet pliers and begin putting in all the grommets into the jeans. Now y'all, this was so hard. I got so frustrated with this thing. I don't think I put in not one of these things in correctly. They were either bent, or when I thought I snapped them in all the way together, they fell back out. I don't understand how I'm supposed to do this. I guess I got to use some more practice for that. But to place the holes in the jeans, I just use my scissors and just poke a hole into it. I place the holes each an inch apart from each other down the side of the jeans. So altogether there are 18 holes on one leg of the jeans. Okay, so now once again I'm taking my chalk and ruler and measuring out across from each other the holes that I have already made on one side, so the holes can be parallel with each other and I'm not having them all kind of all over the place. Now, to be honest, when I got to the other side of the jean for the other leg, they're not really matching up, but I made it work either way. Sorry for the bad quality. I tried to zoom in to get a good look at what I was doing, but it really ain't work out. But I'm gonna switch the angle in another clip. But as you can see, I'm struggling trying to put these grommets in this thing, and it is not working. The hole, I don't know, the hole that I put in there, it seemed like it was big enough to fit it in, but once I stuck it in the back side of the jeans, I still couldn't get the little pieces through, and the strings from the jeans were just all in the way, so it looked like I still never had a hole in the jeans. Like I said, y'all, this thing was so hard. I consider this project a fail, although they came out kind of cute at the end, but you'll see. this time I had started to get a hang of it, but then again, I really won't. I wanted to quit so bad, but I'm not a quitter, so I kept it going. I was determined to get through this thing. Now let's begin to lace up these jeans. By this time, me putting all these grommets in and then turning around having to lace up the jeans, y'all, I even struggled doing this part. And this was so simple. I don't understand why I didn't get it. It literally took me 3 times to lace up these jeans correctly. I didn't record it, but I wanted to be done for the night. I should have stopped, but I kept going and kept going. The next day when I decided to wear these jeans, all of the grommets started to fall out. I was done. So what I decided to do was just go ahead and take them out and just lace the jeans back up using the holes that I had already placed in them. But in the pictures you'll see it with the grommets in it, only because I wanted to take the pictures before I took them all out. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.